What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derica, for anybody who is new here. And today we are making chip bags. This will be a work with me, not a tutorial, but I will go through the steps with you. So right now you see me designing the chip bags. I usually design in Canva or Design Space. Most of the time I go back and forth between the two. I just feel like Cricut may have something that Canva doesn't, and vice versa. Also, I did want to mention that all of the chip bags are designed 11 by 8.5. Something that I like to do for children party favors is I turn them into the character. I just think it adds a little fun touch when a child can see that they are the actual character. So yeah. I get my fonts from thefont.com. I usually try to find fonts that'll match the characters. Thefont.com is very good at having character type fonts. I will have everything I use listed in the description bar below, so please make sure you check that out. Also, if you want a full tutorial on exactly how I create this, design this, the creativity in my head that goes on, please let me know in the comments below, and I got you. Okay, so I use the premium photo paper Glossy from Office Depot. You guys, this is my favorite paper of all time, okay? I print from an HP Envy photo printer. It's an inkjet printer. It is nothing special, but that mug prints great quality. So here's what we need. You will need a crimper. I got this from Amazon. It'll be linked below. This is used to crimp your chip bags. You'll also need a hot glue gun. I prefer a hot glue gun over double-sided tape. Lastly, you will need, I don't know what these are called. Are these called pinking shears or crimping shears? But as you see, they have the zigzag edge. So you are going to take your chips and place them in the center of the paper and glue the ends of your paper together. Me personally, I like the Cheeto bags better because they don't have as much air in them as the other bags, but I'll show you a little trick to get around that. You're gonna hot glue the bottom and the top of the chip bags to close.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
A little trick that I use when I'm working with chips that has a lot of air is to squeeze the sides of the bag. That way it'll give you more room to close the top.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in. Show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. Yeah, I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window.
Next, we're going to take our crimper and we are going to crimp the top and bottom of the chip bags.
Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I put our love on a billboard.
Then we are going to take our shears and we are going to cut along the top and the bottom of the bags. You only want to cut just a tiny amount, nothing too big.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 till I cried up to the side of my mountain. Until you reach my feet, baby, feet, baby, feet. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my foot, no, no, no. Hold me till I scream or breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Till I cried up to the side of my mountain. Until you reach my feet, baby, feet, baby, feet. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like this video if you seen that it was helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, you guys, don't forget to add me on Instagram and TikTok at Purposeful Printing, as well as my website, www.purposefulprinting.com. Go ahead and shop there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Trying to